Okay, as far as also levelling for patch repair, this material, as I went before, as far as what you can build at 25mm. If you're fixing things like uncalibrated slate, typically where the different thicknesses, what you tend to find is you need to put adhesive on the back of the tile as well as actually on the floor itself. With this in mind, when you have to build up, using standard cement-based adhesives, when you fix thicker beds of adhesive next to something you already laid previously, what can sometimes happen is that as you push the tile down, you may find that other tiles are literally lifting around it. And that's because the rheology of the adhesive is actually, because it's wooden floor, it will push where the excess adhesive is actually goes underneath, it will lift the tiles next to it. This, because it's a pourable material, you can actually build up. If you need to press down to get that alignment, it won't physically disturb any of the previous tiles that you've laid around on the floor. It will come through the joints, but literally that can just be scraped out and cleaned down as you go along. This is not typically what you would normally do. What you would tend to do is you apply this to the back of the tile as well. So what's always better to do is apply material to the back to ensure you get full contact. Actually, just to show you, if you apply it onto the surface now, if I scrape some of this away, back to the middle again, just to show you the material itself. And this is just to demonstrate to you, even though it's a pourable material, how it actually maintains its rheology. Keep in mind this is obviously over isolated areas unless you're actually up to that 25mm thickness, but what you can then do is you can see the material itself is actually up the edge there, and this is where the secret is. You can literally press down and the material will literally come out. Imagine your towel next to it, it won't physically force itself underneath, it will come up through the joints, any excess adhesive. But the beauty about it is, once you've pressed it down, and this is where you can use a mallet to get it into position, but afterwards, as you can see, if I scrape that away, it maintains on top. And if I take a bucket of water